JL here guys. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Chime to your Cash App. So to do this is pretty simple. So here, we'll have to first go to your Cash App and then tap in the top right corner until you find this icon, which is yourself. So next, you'll have to go to Link Banks, and then from Link Banks, you'll have to link your debit card. So you want to link your Chime right here to your Cash App so that you'll be using that. So just enter your card number, your CVV, and your expiration date right here. So once you have done that, debit card number, just link the card right here, and then you will see your balance in the bottom left corner of your screen, of course. From there, you want to add that cash into that debit card that you just placed, and then you'll have the total amount transfer right here and add the $2 basically. So from there, that's all, and you have successfully transferred money from Chime to your Cash App. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.